Let's make a dish of celebration. Traditional chicken biryani, a perfect rice dish with aromatic basmati rice and flavorful chicken. The use of whole spices, onions, tomatoes, and fresh herbs makes it most popular dish in the world. Start with some spices. Gather 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1½ tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and set aside. Gather some whole spices. 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and cloves each. 1-inch piece of cinnamon, 1 star anise, and 2 green cardamom. Also get 1 tablespoon of dried mint. Grind all of these whole spices. Add this freshly ground spices to the other spices we gathered before. Give it a good mix and set aside. Now we have homemade biryani masala. Set aside 1/2-inch piece of nutmeg and 1 teaspoon of mace to use it later. Add 3/4 cup oil to the pan. 3 medium sliced onions, it will be 300 grams. For cloves, 8 black pepper, 2 black cardamom, 1-inch piece cinnamon, and 1 bay leaf. Sauté for 2 minutes on medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin. Now sauté the onions on low-medium heat. When it is light golden, add 1 kilogram of chicken. Sauté the chicken on medium heat until it changes its color. Now add 2 tablespoons of garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of ginger paste. Sauté on medium heat for 1 minute. Now add homemade biryani masala. Sauté for 1 minute on medium heat. Add 1 cup of yogurt and 8 dried plums. Cook on medium heat until oil separates. Add 3 medium tomatoes cut into slices. It will be around 200 grams. And 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix. Cover and cook for 20 minutes on medium-low heat. Grind 1-inch piece of nutmeg and 1 teaspoon of mace, and set aside. These 2 freshly ground spices will give our biryani a classic aroma and taste. After 20 minutes, and cover and cook until extra water evaporates and oil separates. At this point, also add freshly ground nutmeg and mace. Mix it well. Switch off the flame, cover and set aside. Now prepare the rice. Boil 2 liters of water in a big pot. Add 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 bay leaf, 1 star anise, 1 black cardamom. For cloves, for black pepper and 1 small cinnamon stick. Make sure water should be boiling before adding the rice. Now add 4 cup of basmati rice which we already soaked for 30 minutes. Boil the rice and cover until it is 90% tender. Strain it and save 1 cup of rice water. In a bowl, add 1/2 teaspoon of cura essence and 1/2 teaspoon of orange food color, and 1/4 cup of rice water, and give it a mix. Now take a 15 by 11 inches aluminum tray, and spread first layer with chicken gravy. Spread half of the rice over it. Now spread 1/2 cup of chopped mint, cilantro and sliced green chilies, followed by half of the food color mixture. Repeat this order 1 more time. Now pour remaining rice water over the rice. Cover with aluminum foil and seal the edges. Put the rice in preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 45 minutes. You can smell the aroma in your house before it is ready. Delicious, full of flavor and beautiful biryani is ready. Cooking or baking these rice on low heat is the secret to make it more delicious. All the flavors from herbs, chicken, and spices are melded together with rice. This savory and spiced rice dish is made at festivals and family gatherings. Enjoy with salad and raita. The recipe for raita is linked in the description. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.